The 2018 Chevrolet Equinox is notorious for persistent infotainment system problems. These issues continue to plague owners even years later, making troubleshooting knowledge essential. The MyLink infotainment system in the 2018 Equinox experiences multiple types of failures that can significantly impact the driving experience. The most common symptoms include frozen or black screens, complete audio failure from all sources, poor touchscreen responsiveness, Bluetooth connectivity problems, and noticeable system lag. These problems stem from five main root causes: software glitches, including corrupted firmware, hardware failures in display components, electrical connection issues, temperature sensitivity during extreme weather, and memory overload from insufficient processing power. There are three main troubleshooting methods that can resolve these issues in approximately 45 to 50% of cases. Method 1 is the standard reset. Turn off your vehicle completely, remove the key and wait 2 to 3 minutes, then restart the vehicle and test the system functionality. Method 2 targets the infotainment system directly. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down, then press power again to restart. Method 3 is the battery disconnect method, used as a last resort. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 15 to 20 minutes, then reconnect and test. Always use proper safety precautions when working with car batteries. These three troubleshooting methods have proven effective, resolving infotainment issues in approximately 45 to 50% of cases. When these basic resets don't work, more advanced solutions or professional help may be needed.